This is a assignment video where you are required to implement CRUD operations with proper routing. Previously, in the chapter where we talk about HTTP protocol, we actually have implemented CRUD operations. So let me grab one of the source code files, and I apologize, this is in text format. This is what I attach to each lesson to provide source file to you. But in here, you can see that although this is in text format, it doesn't have color coding, but you can see that when we are targeting the employee's path, we are handling get, right? We are handling post, we're handling put, and as well as delete. So in this assignment, what I would like you to do is to implement similar CRUD operations for creating, loading, updating, and deleting employees. But the difference is that since that you have learned routing and route parameters, I would like you to use what you have learned in this chapter to re-implement it. In other words, you're going to use endpoint middleware, create multiple endpoint handlers, similar to what we have done in here, but with actual code so that you can add to the in-memory database. Right? So let's go back to the source code again. We have this in-memory database, or I should call it data store here implemented. And we have the definition of the employee object implement right here. So reuse these two classes to provide the data store functionality, and then use in-memory data store to actually implement creating, reading, updating, and deleting employees. And for reading, I would like you to read all of the employees and have another endpoint handler to read just the employee like provided by the ID. Okay, that's everything you need to do in this assignment. I will see you in the next video where I show you my solution. I'll see you in the next one.